I want to keep this super candid and just get into how you think about QA and leadership today.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Let's start with this. So, what's the strong belief about QA you strongly disagree with?
I think the biggest myth in QA is that it's just about finding defects. It's a very narrow view. Great QA is actually about, understanding risk, protecting user experience, and enabling the business to move faster with confidence. If QA is only showing up at the end of cycles to catch bugs, it's already too late. QA should be shaping outcomes, not just validating them.
Yeah, that's interesting. Shifting QA from reactive to actually perspectives. Okay, building upon that, what's something you have personally changed your mind as a QA lead?
I used to believe that more automation meant better quality. And for a long time, that's how success has been measured in this industry. But I've realized that automation without context just creates noise. You end up running thousands of tests without actually increasing confidence. Now, I think about it a little differently. It's not about how much you automate, it's about how intelligent you test.
Right, so it's not the scale for the sake of it, it's the meaningful testing you mean.
Exactly.
Right. If you had one power to fix one thing in a QA enterprise overnight, what would it be?
Definitely would be removing silos without a doubt. In many organizations, what we see is there's different tools, different teams, each taking different strategies, and it creates a disconnected experience, and that becomes apparent to the user as well. The fragmentation also slows everything down. So if I could fix one thing, it would be bringing in QA into a single unified system, because when you do that, you have visibility of everything else. Speed, coverage, confidence starts to improve naturally alongside that.
Yeah, that lack of visibility is something we tend to see from our teams as well. So you have been in this space for a while and it's evolving faster. How do you personally stay ahead?
It's a good question. I try not to chase the trends. Instead, I focus on understanding the patterns. So what's actually changing in how software is built, deployed, and consumed by the end users? Where are teams struggling? What problems are repeating at scale? I spend a lot of time talking to customers, observing how teams work in the real world, because that's where the truth is, not the hype.
That's a great way to put it. Less hype and more real-world signals. Last one, a bit more personal, outside of work. What's something that personally shaped you how you lead today?
I think for me, it's been learning to be comfortable with uncertainty. Whether it's travel, new environments, or just stepping into unfamiliar situations, you realize quickly that you don't always have all of the answers, and that's okay. As a leader, I think that's important because your role isn't to have every answer, it's to ask the right questions and create clarity for your team.
I like that. Asking the right questions instead of trying to have all the answers. All right, that was great, Raoul. Thanks for keeping it real and sharing all your perspectives.
Yeah, thanks for having me. This was fun.